Well, good morning. Today's Josh has got me out here. I don't know if you can see him in the background over there. He's trying to accomplish something, but he's slow. But he's got a deck here, and we pulled out all the old wood from underneath it and all the stuff that's on it and stuff. And we're actually going to move it. We're going to slide it out this way, and then we're going to make a form for it down there and set it up over there. That's the plan. We've been out here, it's pretty early, but we've been out here digging this out, digging all the stuff out. And we're going to put it level. We're going to lower it down level with that and come even with the building, with that with the deck. So that's the project. Well, I've dug most of the crap out of there. We got the rest of it loaded up there. I actually cut these 4x4s even all the way around, and we're gonna slide this across. If you look, they have some beams underneath. See those beams? Well, they're nailed in on every one, so we're gonna run the sawzall and cut the nails, and then we're gonna slide this right out, and then we're gonna get this ground graded and everything and set some forms. And we're going to put this deck down here next to this. So we'll see how we get on. How we're going to get on. We're getting on. What we're doing, we're putting wheels on this thing. We're putting wheels onto it, and we're gonna roll this deck around the yard like a trailer. Like a trailer. Right. I get all the girls in my trailer. So yeah, that's the plan. I made up some of these. They got each wheel is 600-pound capacity, and we're gonna put these across. That's the first row he's doing there. We're gonna put another one in the middle and another one on the end, and then what we're gonna do is connect the winch to it and drag that thing that way, and then we'll grade the land and everything once the deck's out of the way. But we've been doing really good. Just look at us. These posts here were actually turned upside down this way, and what we did was cut all the nails off the joists and flipped it down so the thing will slide across them. And we're gonna just slide this deck right off onto wheels. That's how we roll. How's that, Josh? We're going to slide the deck off onto wheels because that's how we roll. Word. We're going to take a walk to see the wildlife. I don't know if you can see them. But here they go. Oops. Did I scare them? Well, we're here again. It's cold as frig. And as far as we got, as you can see, if you can look underneath there, look, we got wheels on the deck. We got 6 of them on there. And we got to knock over one board on the end, and then we're going to try to connect it to the fur wheel and pull this deck around. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try. Well, today's another day. We're back at pulling this deck, and we got a brand new winch. We got a brand new winch. I mean, yeah, winch. Because Josh broke the other one. He's just too powerful.
Too big.
They're just too powerful. So we're gonna get on moving this deck. What? That's not redneck deck moving or what? Come on now. Look at that. That's how we roll. Oh yeah, and that's how the deck rolls too. Well, look at this, folks. We've dug out the footings, all of them. Now we're gonna rototill and bring this ground level and start setting our blocks. And at the same time, we're gonna take the dirt and fill in those ruts from the crane.